How to translate any comment on TikTok directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to translate any comment that you want on TikTok fast and easy. So first thing, go to TikTok and now go to the comment. Now let's say that you want to translate this comment right here. Now all what you have to do is click on it and keep clicking like this, and then choose translate here, and as you can see it's translated to English. Now let's just choose some comments here, for example this one, and click translate. As you can see it's translated directly. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.